Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Have you messed up your WooCommerce settings? Well, do not worry. In this video, we will walk you throughout how to reset WooCommerce to its default settings and start fresh. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. Well, normally guys, when you mess something up with a plugin such as WooCommerce, well, usually what you'll have to do is basically go ahead to the plugins area and basically just remove it and reinstall it. So this is the main thing that you could do. Also, there is another solution, which is basically by creating a new whole store from scratch. And also, there is kind of like other errors that might come with it, and you might tell me I can't really delete the whole WooCommerce plugin. I have data in it, I have stuff in it that I couldn't really get rid of because my website is basically based on that. If I remove WooCommerce, then the whole template, the whole products page, the whole orders are gonna be lost. So how can we fix the problem without really changing anything? So in that video, we are going to actually understand that very briefly in details using this article. So first of all, why do we have to reset the WooCommerce plugin? It's important to understand why you need to reset WooCommerce before we head to the detailed process. This is very important, is to determine the problem. What is causing you to reset everything? If it was error installing a WooCommerce plugin, then it's not really restart. It's basically a problem in installing, which means you didn't get to use it yet. So that might be because you have an old HTTPS when it comes to WordPress. Maybe you are using localhost, which is, for example, Bitnami, that's using an old version of WordPress that is not matching the current version of WooCommerce, which is a very well-known like problem. Also, there is like the template itself. The template that you're using is not really working uh, well with WooCommerce. So all of these problems can cause you can cause you issues when it comes to downloading and installing the plugin of WooCommerce. So you might think about it and try to fix that either by recreating the website, changing template, or basically updating your website on WordPress. For example, if you want to home, here in home, always you'll find the updates. If there was any update that is missing on your site, it will be mentioned in the top. My website doesn't need any updates, that is why I don't find that. But if there is any plugin, anything that can be causing a problem, it will be mentioned right here. Also, there is something that I didn't mention, is the fact of having a bad plugin that doesn't match with WooCommerce. That also can be a cause. Now, how to have a first start with WooCommerce? Well, as you can see here, method number one is quick way to install WooCommerce. Removing the WooCommerce plugin and then reinstalling it. So this is one of the reasons that you could fix the problem. Now, the second problem is basically, let's say you have product issues or product problem, then you will have to manually delete WooCommerce data completely by your own hands. So as you can see here, go to your products and basically choose the product that are causing you the problem. Do not, in case you had a specific product, do not check this box. Check the box of the specific product. In case you didn't really know which product is causing this problem, then yeah, you could literally just delete everything and simply recreate them from scratch. Or you could also just draft like a couple of products, like half and leave half, and check if there is any update when it comes to your WooCommerce website, if there is like changes or basically it's fixed. When you see like it is fixed, then maybe the product that you have archived are the ones that causing the problems. Then try to like archive half of them and keep trying to detect exactly which product is causing the real problem. So that can be helping you to resolve the clearance of WooCommerce and fixing the problem. Also, what you could do to reset it is basically deleting the whole thing, deleting the coupons, deleting the product, deleting the like the categories, the shipping. Like if you did all of that, yeah, it will obviously reset your WooCommerce to its original state, which is basically the state where you want to simply just start freshly from the beginning, which can be done simply by deleting the plugin from the beginning. So instead of deleting if everything, like you could simply just delete the plugin and reinstall it. That can be much way more faster. And yeah, these are basically the two main methods that you can with it reset your WooCommerce plugin on WordPress. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them down below. I will make sure to read every single question on topic that you want us to talk about, so make sure to mention them down. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.